Did you know that life on Earth is not controlled only by the sun or the atmosphere? Beneath the surface of the oceans, there are invisible forces that decide where life can exist and where it cannot. They have no eyes, no consciousness, yet they have shaped the fate of life for hundreds of millions of years. Today, on Dino and Beyond, we ask one powerful question: how did ocean currents control life on Earth? Ocean currents are massive rivers of water, constantly flowing through the world's oceans. They are driven by differences in temperature, differences in salinity, global wind patterns, and the rotation of the Earth itself. Some currents flow at the surface, while others move slowly, thousands of meters below the waves. In other words, the ocean is not still. It is a living circulation system, the bloodstream of planet Earth.
The deep ocean currents are part of the thermohaline circulation. As the water cools in the North Atlantic,
Driven by temperature and salinity differences, these massive ocean currents act like a global conveyor belt, redistributing heat across the planet.
Ocean currents transport warm water from the equator toward colder regions, and cold water back toward the tropics. Without this global heat transfer, large parts of Earth would freeze. Other regions would become unbearably hot. Many ecosystems we take for granted today would never have existed. Life does not just need water. It needs water at the right temperature. Ocean currents also control where nutrients rise to the surface, where plankton blooms, and where food chains can form. When deep, nutrient-rich water is carried upward, life explodes. Plankton multiplies. Small creatures follow. Then fish, marine reptiles, and eventually giant predators dominate the seas. This is no coincidence. Many evolutionary hotspots in Earth's history formed along powerful ocean currents. But what happens when ocean currents change? As continents drift, as ice sheets form or melt, the pathways of ocean currents are altered. The consequences can be devastating. Ocean temperatures shift. Nutrient supply collapses. Entire ecosystems fail. Some of Earth's major mass extinctions are closely linked to disruptions in ocean circulation. No asteroid required, just a change in the flow of water.
These ancient currents were true evolutionary hotspots, teeming with creatures found nowhere else on Earth.
Today, human-driven climate change is rapidly altering the oceans. Melting ice adds fresh water to the seas, reducing salinity, and potentially weakening major ocean currents. If these systems slow down or collapse, marine life will be forced to adapt or disappear, and humanity will not be spared. For hundreds of millions of years, Ocean currents have quietly guided life on Earth. Invisible, relentless, essential. To understand the oceans is to understand the past of life itself, and perhaps to understand its future.